Today we all gather here for a general talk on mental health awareness program, and we have Ms. Ishika Nayak as a resource person among us. Welcome. She is pursuing her career in psychology from Science College, Coimbatore, Chennai. So we have an opportunity today to hear her thoughts on mental health awareness program. As we all know that health is wealth. Now, I would like to request respected Mr. Ma'am to say a few words and welcome us. Please.
So, this blissful morning, we all are gathered here again. So, very good morning to one and all present here. Honorable Director Mr. Prakash, the resource person Ms. Ishika Nayak, like it ought to be. So, introducing my daughter over here. HM Sarita Madam, coordinators Sujata and Shweta, and all my dear friends here, and above all my loving children. A very good morning once again to all of you. So after some time we are gathering all here to hear from a resource person like Ishika Nayak. As Sujata Madam introduced, she has done, she's doing her, pursuing her career in psychology. I don't know how many of you know much about psychology. And in the present scenario, the word psychology plays an important role. As you all know, COVID-19 pandemic. That's not a new word. Since 1.5 years, we all are hearing this word frequently. Rather, I should say, it is stuck in our mind, the COVID-19 pandemic word. And in this scenario, mental health awareness is a very important topic. Many of us, rather I should say, almost one in every house must be affected by COVID-19. We all recovered from COVID-19, but what about the panic attack? What about the mental stages of people around us? The impact COVID-19 has done in India, not only India, all around the globe. And all section of the society, whether it is kids, youngsters, old people, frontline workers, professionals, you cannot say that they are not affected. Everyone, every individual in this present scenario has been affected, impacted by this COVID-19 pandemic and mental health disorders. And at times what happened, that so many of them are having a mental problem, they hesitate to discuss. That is the biggest problem we all are facing these days. Many of your grandmother must be having some mental disorder and anxiety problem, but the biggest problem is they are not able to discuss their problems with anyone. So it's high time, even the experts believe that India must invest in mental health awareness. Not only India, around the globe, everybody has to think about mental health awareness program. Many such programs should be conducted to bring out the people into the positivity, positive thinking, to come out from the mental stress. A awareness program should be conducted in a major scale, rather I feel. And I really am very thankful to Ishika that she accepted my proposal and agreed to come to our school to present a talk on mental health awareness among you all. So we are very thankful to her. And I would request our director, Mr. Prakash, to welcome Ishika Nayak with a bouquet to the Bakery family. you, Sister Shika. Sorry, I'm not calling you ma'am. Thank you, sister. Okay, I won't take much of your time, Ishika. The entire hall is all yours. You can go ahead with your awareness talk for the children and for our teachers. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You all welcomed me in a very hearty manner. I'm very overwhelmed to hear that. Thank you so much. And a very, very good morning to all of you present here. I'm also a student, so it won't be such a gap for us to talk. I feel you can share or you can ask whatever you want to. And if you think that you can't understand me, you can right away stop me and I will guide you. Okay? So I got a very, very warm welcome. So you all know my name, I'm Ishika. And I'm here to talk about mental health. And is this going to be a boring lecture for you all? So no, because for years I have sat there, I know how it feels after exam, sitting and listening to someone speaking. But today we will learn about our own body, our own self, because this is something no one taught us. This is something no one taught me. So I want you all to learn it. I want you all to know who you actually are. Okay? So, mental awareness. Giving someone the physical affection or care is very easy. We can just like that go and give them something they want. But giving someone or supporting someone mentally is the toughest job one can do. Okay, now let me see what we are going to look today. Okay? What is mental health? Actually, we are talking about mental health, mental health, mental health. What that word actually means. Mental illness, what mental health can affect to our physical body. Okay, this is all a kind of a checklist we are going to see today, but before that, everyone introduced me, so let me introduce two young men to you. That is, you all have it your own, so that is Mr. Brain and Mr. Mind. Okay, now we all know Mr. Brain. So, who is Mr. Mind? We use him a lot. We use that word a lot. Okay, remark, we use that word a lot. So, who is actually Mr. Mind? So, he is kind of a twin brother of Mr. Brain. We can't see him, we can't touch him, but we can feel him. The thoughts, the perception, the feeling comes from the mind, not from the brain. It is a kind of something who lives inside the brain. So, okay, now I told you about everything we saw, like we're going to see about mental health. Let me hear from you. Anyone from you, because anyone can answer anything. Okay? If you think that is going to be a wrong answer, don't ever think that. Every answer for me is a different perspective. Okay? So, what do you guys mean by mental health? Anyone from the audience, I want to hear it. Anyone, you can say anything, one-liner, one-word answers. Anyone? Raise your hand if someone wants to speak. Come on. Don't afraid to be the answer going to be a wrong answer, because every answer is correct in its own way. Okay, last one. Come here. I want you all to show today, because we are going to interact. I want you all to interact with me, please. Okay. What do you mean by mental health?
Mental health means, according to our mind, thought, mental things, positive thoughts, according to our positive thoughts, health is clearly good.
That's very, very correct. Okay? Okay, what he said was correct, but let me introduce you to with some new words actually. Okay? So, mental health is something when a person can outshine his own personality, when the person knows his own ability and know how to cope up with the daily stress. जब किसी को पता हो कि उसके पास क्या एबिलिटीज है, like right now I think I know how to speak in front of you. Okay, that is my own ability. And everyday stresses, एक बच्चे के लाइफ में एग्जाम, मेरे भी एग्जाम आने वाले हैं, that is my biggest stress I'm having right now, but I know how to cope up with it. I know how to live with it. So, if a person knows how to cope up with his daily life stresses and can be useful to a community, like you all right now are useful to a community. You are heading forward to a community and you are very useful. Okay? So, okay, now we know what mental health is. What if a person doesn't know his own ability? What? A person can't cope up. अगर मुझे कल एग्जाम देना है and I know that मेरा एग्जाम है and I will be like, okay, कल एग्जाम है, I'll read about it, I'll study about it, कुछ ना मैं लिख ही लूँगी यार, है ना? So, what if that कुछ ना कुछ तो लिख ही लूँगी यार, stuck in my mind, stuck in the Mr. Brain, and Mr. Mind is continuously thinking about it. That is what mental illness can do to us. How can it actually affect a person? Where can it affect a person? Because we know about mental health. सबको पता है mental health के बारे में. We have heard this word a lot. People saying mental health, mental disorders, depression, anxiety, panic attacks. Oh my God, such a fancy words. Do we really know its meaning? Okay. So mental illness can affect a person's day-to-day life. जैसे मुझे आज पता था मुझे यहाँ के बोलना है, I was very stressed because speaking in front of kids who know a lot is difficult. Coming in front of you guys and speaking about something even I know, but that is very difficult for me. That is what I had a stress from yesterday. I was so panicked, like okay, मैं खाना खा लूँगी यार, मेरे को नहीं हो पा रहा, मम्मा मेरे को कल जाके बोलना है, मेरे को कल जाके बोलना है, मेरे को कल जाके बोलना है. But that was okay. I slept with it. I woke up, I'm standing in front of you. But what a person having a problem here will think. He will continuously think about the same thing. He can't focus on how to get up from the bed. He can't focus on how I should walk. He can't focus how to talk. So the mental illness affects a person, how you think, what you do, how you feel. Okay, now I want 3 people with me. Anyone can stand up because come on. अब हम लोग को expect नहीं है. Come. Very good, awesome. Okay, now I told you about 3 things. That is what you think, what you do, and how you feel. So you will be what you think, you will be how you do, and you will be what you feel. Okay. So अभी हम लोग को समझ में आ गया कि ये 3 चीजें प्रॉब्लम करती है एक मेंटल इलनेस में. Okay, let me give you a situation. You have to tell me what you think, what you do, how you feel. Okay? So let me take a situation from my own life. We had a very awesome assembly. We talked about things. Then we went to our class. We sat next to our best friends. And the second thing, ma'am comes in and tell us that today you are going to have an oral exam. And the ma'am tells a chapter name you don't even know. Actually, तुमने पहली बार सुना है वो नाम. Okay? So, tell me what you feel. What you think? What will you think on that particular time?
I feel like what is happening and I feel so nervous and fear.
Okay. What you do? No, you will be what you do, right? Yes.
I'm not capable to do anything like speech.
Okay, on that time, you are having an oral exam
topic, and I am not able to talk about the topic because I was.
I will feel nervous what I will think what ma'am can ask me.
Okay, so that is how I think every student will think like. But let me be a person who is having a mental illness or a mental adjustment problems. Okay? So what will I feel will be like? Oh my god, ma'am is going to take an exam. What I'll do? I don't know anything. Is she going to tell my parents? Oh my god, I'm going to get out of my house today. I don't know how to do it. Oh my god, let me go. I think I need to use washroom. Oh my god, I think I'm having a headache. Oh my god, I can't see anything. What's happening around? The continuous thought will start to rush in and you don't even know it. Because that is what happens to a person's day-to-day life. If his mother is telling, go prepare something and eat, he will start thinking and his thoughts are something he can't control it. He'll be like, what I'll cook? What if someone doesn't like my food? What if they won't eat? What if they vomit after eating it? What will we do? We cook something what we like and we eat it, right? Thank you so much guys, you helped me a lot. So we all know this movie, I think. This movie clip, we all have seen it. So let me tell you some example. Actually, I told you two, three examples right now. But I think you will understand more if I show you, okay? So let me show you. So maybe because of me, we had a small issue. So let me explain you because we all know this movie, right? What he thinks, right before his maths exam, he's sitting, right? What he thinks is, there is 3, there is 9, and there is a planet called X. Now these 3 and 9 will crash and then only the 3 will be remaining and the answer will be? 3. Okay? That is what happens? Yes. Okay? So, in the movie, Zishan is actually having a mental illness. That is, he is having issues with his learning capacity. Okay? That is also comes under in our mental issue. We don't know about these things because we never talked about it. Right? I think this is the first time you guys will be having a talk about mental health. This is the first time I'm having a talk in front of kids too. So it is kind of different. You need to learn that your mind is something, you own it. And it can have issues too. Right? So now, this is a small mental health issue. Okay? Now let me tell you about this movie. What happens here is, he sees 2 to 3 people standing. Actually, if someone is from South India, they might know this movie. I don't know. But what happens is, he will be seeing a grey shadow in his room. Okay? He'll continuously see it. He will be writing some note. That will be actually a suicidal note. Okay? He will be writing it and he will be seeing 2 to 3 people continuously looking at him, continuously telling something to him. Actually, he lives alone as in the home. Okay? That is the excessive point where the mental illness can reach if we don't give it a primary care. Like, okay, let me tell you one thing. We have a small issue like I got a pimple this morning in my head. Okay, somewhere here. Will I say like I'm having a tumor, I think? No, right? We'll say it's a pimple. When we say someone that I'm having some mental issues, why we say that that person is mentally disabled or pagal hai lagta hai. Right? Right? But we should not say it. It's just a mental issue. It can be something that happened to kids too, like Zishan. So now we saw 2 different examples. One was Zishan, who was a kid, and the other one was Dhanush from a movie, who tell me if someone wants to. क्या लगता है आपको कि किसी को भी हो सकता है मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम या उसके साथ पैदा होते हैं लोग?
किसी के साथ हो सकते हैं।
Okay, that is the awesome audience for me because you are perfectly correct. Okay, किसी को भी हो सकता है, पर किसको? किसको और कैसे? ओके, सो क्यों होता है, कैसे हो सकता है, किसको हो सकता है? The person who is having developmental issues. Okay, now this is something a fancy word. So मैं थोड़ा सा normal way में बताती हूँ. Okay, developmental issue is something our society want us to play a role. For me, my parents want me to grow up, to get a job, or to find something like I am capable of. Right? For you, it is something you need to cross JEE or NEET. That is what your society wants. पर कोई क्या छोटे क्लास 1 के बच्चे से ये चाहेगा कि यार तू JEE और NEET निकालना है तुमको बेटा? नहीं, right? We want that. Even उसकी खुद की मम्मा चाहेगी कि when some guest comes in a home, you sing the rhyme properly in front of them. That is what the developmental means. But the people or the kids with the developmental issue can't cross the stage on a proper level. जो राइम उसको क्लास 1 में सीख जाना चाहिए था, जो राइम और जो टेबल उसको क्लास 1 में आ जाना चाहिए था, वो क्लास 3-4 तक उसको ही पढ़ता रहता है. Just like Zishan. He was at I think class 3 और 4 में था वो, right? He should know 3 into 9 क्या होता है या 3 into 3 क्या होता है, right? But he struggles with it. He struggles till I think he struggles with it for a long time, right? That is what developmental issue means. People with developmental issues can have mental illness. Okay, now what is this? Sudden trauma or loss. Sudden trauma means कुछ भी जो हमारे दिल को या बहुत ही ज़्यादा अचानक से हमें वो कर दे. Like okay, let me give you an example with this. Sudden trauma. अभी मेरा सवेरे आते वक्त मम्मी से झगड़ा हो गया. Okay, I was very angry because she didn't came and meet me and when she was like, अरे तुम्हारे एक छोटा सा एक तो speech है, you can go and get that. I was like, no mama, it is a big deal for me. You should come and talk to me about that. So I had a trauma there because my mother didn't came and see me and she was like, उनको उनके स्कूल के बच्चे ज़्यादा important थे. So I cried a lot. Okay, but some people can't take this small issue. They will think very differently. The same way we was talking about when we said oral exam. Okay. Loss can be कुछ भी, like a छोटा पेन ढूंढने से लेकर एक कोई अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को खो जाना या झगड़ा होके हमारा उससे ब्रेकअप हो जाना. ओके, इट कैन बी इन अ जीन्स और इन हेरिडिटी. ओके, नाउ जीन्स और हेरिडिटी इट डजंट मीन अगर तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा या तुम्हारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स या तुम्हारे किसी भी फैमिली मेंबर को कभी हुआ है तो इट मीन्स तुमको भी होना ही है. It will be in your gene, but doesn't mean that it will definitely appear sometime. Okay? Accident or head injury. कभी-कभी जब हमारा एक्सीडेंट होता है और हमें हेड इंजरी होती है, some part of our brain get damaged. और वो रिकवर होने के बाद भी that leaves a sign behind. That's where mental illness can come. Okay? So I hope everyone is with me, right? ये सो तो नहीं क्या पीछे? सब है ना एक साथ? Okay, सब show like this, सब show like this. Let me see, सब है कि नहीं? Come on, do it. सामने वाले बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं. वो बैक बेंचर्स है तो उनके लिए सिर्फ नहीं है. Come on, do it. Yes, everyone is with me, right? Okay, let's move forward. Okay, अभी हमने इतने सारे mental health के mental बातें. Does it affect in our physical body? अगर मुझे मेंटल हेल्थ इशू है तो क्या सिर्फ वो मेरे मतलब इतनी एरिया में शो होगा कि कहीं मिस्टर बॉडी में भी दिखेगा कि सिर्फ मिस्टर माइंड और मिस्टर ब्रेन ही खेलते रहेंगे ऊपर? Come on, anyone? Collectively? Come. Come.
It definitely affect our physical.
Okay.
So, that was very brilliant. Yes, it will affect our body. Actually, हमारा body is kind of in 2 floors. Okay, it's an apartment of 2 floors. First one goes to the floor Mr. Mind and Mr. Brain lives. Okay, that is very important. The second floor, that is the ground floor, comes where the Mr. Body is with all our physical organs. We focus on this part alone. Why? We never focus on this part, right? हम भले बोल देते यार तेरे दिमाग में है. Yeah, it is in our brain, it is in our mind. Need to solve it. Part है ना? एक ही अपार्टमेंट है, ऊपर का फ्लोर वर्क नहीं करेगा तो नीचे का भी ठीक से वर्क नहीं कर पाएगा. Okay, it is a part. Okay, so Mr. Brain, Mr. Mind is connected with Mr. Body. If something affects in our physical body, that will be definitely shown in our mental. Let me take an example. Recently happened example. Okay, COVID.
लाइट बंद कर देंगे.
That was a very physical thing. That was a virus who used to affect our body, immune system.
नहीं आता.
Right? हमें खांसी, सर्दी, नहीं खांसी, थ्रोट प्रॉब्लम और फीवर होता था. But it is not only the thing who affected our body, it was the thing who affected our mind. People lost a lot of people lost their life just because they thought they won't be capable enough, their immune system won't be capable enough to recover. कहीं ना कहीं यार गड़बड़ तो हो गई मेरे साथ. मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा इसको ठीक. That must be just, actually I've seen an example. I worked in a clinic. That person came and he had nothing actually. He recovered from the COVID. He had no issues with the COVID. He was perfectly fine, healthy. He was somewhere thinking he is still affected with the COVID. He was somewhere still thinking he will definitely going to lose his life. So I was new in that clinic. So I asked that my guide, like, ये क्यों सोच रहा है सर? ये तो हो गया ठीक. I only checked his what to say OPD book. उसमें उसका result positive नहीं था, negative था. Then I came to know that this virus doesn't affected our physical body. It affected us mentally. He had a kid. And he was so worried that अगर वो recover नहीं कर पाया, तो that kid will gonna suffer. Did you get it? उसको उसके पहले कोई बीमारी नहीं था. He was perfectly fit man. He just got, I think उसका first problem after fever and all was COVID only. But still he felt so tensed about that single COVID virus. So where it actually affect? Okay, mental अगर प्रॉब्लम होगा तो हमें कहीं ना कहीं फिजिकली शो करेगा. मैंने बोल दिया, अगर फिजिकल कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो वो मेंटली शो करेगा. बट कहाँ करेगा? The first and the foremost thing, it will affect our immunity. It will affect in our low immunity. Because we have a law. That law states that what you feel is what you attract. What you attract is what will you get. Okay. अगर मैं कंटिन्यूसली बोलती रहती आज अपने आप से कि आज मैं यहाँ आने के बाद मैं जो भी बोलने वाली हूँ, actually I literally prepared a whole speech of I think 10 to 12 pages because I was so tense and I knew that मैं आज भूलने वाली हूँ, confirm. I will forget everything and मैं नहीं इतने खड़े होकर नहीं बोल सकती. अगर मैं ऐसे ही सोचती रहती तो literally I'll attract that energy. That is what our universe is made of. That is how our own body is made of. Agar we continuously say to ourselves that we are going to fall ill, we are going to fall ill, we are going to fall ill, definitely it will show in your body, you will feel weak. You will suddenly start to feel like, oh my god, थोड़ा सा तो कहीं खराब सा लग रहा है अंदर. कुछ नहीं हुआ है, खांसी नहीं है, सर्दी नहीं है, फीवर नहीं है, तुमको कोई शो ही नहीं कर रहा है, but still you will be in your bed, lying there, कहीं तो खराब सा लग रहा है मम्मी, कहीं तो खराब सा लग रहा है. So it will show in your immunity. The second thing will be the headaches and the migraines. Actually, बहुत सारे headaches और migraines जब हम check कराने जाते हैं, sometimes we don't get a positive physical reaction for it. The doctor will say it like, तुमको कुछ नहीं हुआ है, सर का वजह चश्मा पहन के देखो शायद, right? Continuously heart palpitation will be there. If something mental illness has affected you, continuous heart palpitation will be there. A small example I'll give you. मैं आज का example दूँगी क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ बहुत कुछ हुआ है, ठीक है? मैं आने से पहले इतनी टेंस थी ना कि मेरे साथ बहुत कुछ हुआ है. मैं जब यहाँ से चल के आके मैं वहाँ बैठी, इवन जब मेरे को इतना अच्छा, इतना warm welcome मिला, still my heart was beating like this. I was like, okay, इतने सारे लोग हैं, इतने सारे बच्चे लोग हैं, मैं कहीं कुछ अगर गड़बड़ बोलती तो ये लोग हंसना ना शुरू कर दें. मेरे को continuously heart palpitation was there. Just with the small tension to speak up today in front of you, I had fast beating heart. If my heart rate was steady, it will go like 1,000 or something. Okay. Then what will be there? Okay, brain fog. आज exams थे? Okay. So I'll give you an example. आज किसको किसको सवेरे लगा कि यार कुछ याद ही नहीं है, क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, that is what the brain fog is. Okay, it freezes your mind. It will be like अब क्या लिखेंगे यार, कुछ याद ही नहीं है, कॉपी कैसा दिखता था, नाम क्या है मेरा, ये लिखना क्या, रोल नंबर क्या, डेट क्या, डेट क्या, डेट क्या, right? That is what brain fog is. It freezes your mind. For a bit hour, like for 1 to 2 hours, it feels normal, right? It's like okay, exam देने के बाद तो चले गया वो brain fog, अब तो घर जाना है, series देखना है, right? But think about the people who is having mental illness. They will continuously be in a stage where they don't know where they are. They don't know what to do. वो यहाँ खड़े होने के बाद they will take at least 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes to walk like this. They'll have a continuous feeling like क्या था आज, क्या करना था, खाना खा लिया शायद, दवाई, they will eat medicines overdosing because उनको लगता है कि यार okay, मैं अभी खा लिया दवाई and then suddenly they forget कि यार दवाई नहीं खाया शायद, खा लिया. So it will be seen our stomach pain or diarrhea. Okay, that is a very funny thing, but still. एग्जाम के पहले किसको किसको स्टमक पेन होता है? आई गेस गर्ल्स को थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता होगा एज कम्पेयर टू बॉयज़. बॉयज़ के पास चीटिंग नॉलेज थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है एज कम्पेयर टू गर्ल्स. ओके, किसको किसको स्टमक पेन होता है? मुझे बहुत होता था, मुझे आज भी होता है. मेरे को बहुत स्टमक पेन होता है. आई फील लाइक ओ माय गॉड, मैं कैसे लिखूंगी एग्जाम, मेरे को कुछ आता ही नहीं है. दैट इज बिकॉज जस्ट a small tension you are having right now. But think about the person, think about the individual who is continuously feeling that stomach pain, heart palpitation, headaches, he can't walk properly, he can't think properly. That is what mental illness is. Okay. So, a very, very small question. क्यों गैदर हुए हैं हम आज यहाँ? क्यों बात कर रहे हैं इतना? क्या ज़रूरत है इसकी? 12th खत्म करना है, नीट पढ़ना है, जेई पढ़ना है. यार क्या कर रहे हो मैम, आप क्या कर रहे हो दीदी, आप क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? Okay, so I'll give you one more example, very small example. Me and my best friend, we had a friendship of I think very long, 8 years or something. Suddenly she went away, far away from me. Okay, when I was in 9th. I didn't know what is happening with me. I didn't know what's going on with me. But the 9th and 10th felt very burdened for me. I didn't like to go to school. I used to wake up very late. I used to sleep a lot. I'll be like, yaar, mummy, nahi jana. I used to make such a funny reasons, or इतने creative reasons रहते थे मेरे पास, that just because I didn't wanted to go to school. Just because I didn't feel like going. But at that particular situation, I felt like, यार शायद सिर्फ मेरे साथ हो रहा है. It's just I think थोड़ा ज़्यादा over sensitivity है या मुझे सिर्फ feel हो रहा है. And that turned into an anger. I used to show it to my mother. Okay, because I had no friends. They never do it. But I used to show it to my mother. Whenever she used to call me like, come sit, we'll have a talk, we'll go out. I'll shout at her. Like, nahi jana yaar. I don't want to go. I had an excessive anger. But at that situation, my mother worked as a doctor for me. Because she already learned child psychology, so she knew what's going on with me. She handled me with a very care and she gave me the utmost love I needed at that situation. I recovered. But three main reasons I'm choosing you guys today because the lack of information. I don't think so anyone till now knew about mental illness, mental health, how you used to feel, your stomach pain क्यों तुमको हो रहा है एग्जाम के पहले, it's just a tension, is it? Because हमें mental health is never in our syllabus, but it will be. I hope in future one day it will be in our syllabus because we need to learn this. Lack of information, that is why I'm here. That is why we are here. That is why we are talking. Misconception and the fake news. Okay. Anyone from you, किसी ने भी ऐसा कुछ देखा होगा इंटरनेट में, इंस्टाग्राम में, फेसबुक में, जो कि उन्हें चेन से बांधे होंगे कोई लोगों को, and they will be shouting at someone, some people, they will be having cuts all over their body. I think there is also a movie, तेरे नाम. Okay, remember उसके पैर में चेन बंधा रहता है. They will put some kind of grasses and all in his body, right? ऐसे नहीं होते mental health disorders. ऐसे नहीं होते mental hospitals. Mental health disordered people, the people who is having mental illness, will be very smart, and they are the most strongest and the courageous people. You can't live with that brain fog. You can't live with that heart palpitation. At like 5 to 10 minutes for exam paper मिलने तक you feel so tense. Exam paper मिलने के बाद you will be like, चलो ठीक है, first आता है, second आता है, third adjust करेंगे, fourth छोड़ेंगे, ठीक है, fifth देखो आता है, हो गया 5 question दिए, right? But think about that person who's continuously feeling that heart palpitation for no reason. He's never going to get that question paper. Right? So they are the most courageous people and they will never come and scream at you. They are very silent and they are very artistic. Okay, let me take that example of Zishan. He used to paint. Right? He used to paint very brilliantly. Actually, उसके खुद के क्लास के बच्चों से ज़्यादा अच्छा वो पेंट कर सकता था, right? That is what actually the mental health people or the people with the mental health disorder is actually. And I'm fed up with this movies, actually Bollywood movies, जो इनको इतने गंदे से depict करते हैं, because they are very sweet people. If you go, they will treat it. They will be so happy that you came to see them. I worked in a hospital, I went to a hospitals, I worked in between them, and still I'm standing, they didn't hold me apart, right? it shouldn't be a shame to you. It should never be a shame to you. अभी अगर मुझे कोरोना हुआ, I'll be just very openly tell you like यार मेरे को कोरोना हुआ था, I took 2 vaccination, अब मैं बहुत ठीक हूँ, right? यहाँ किसी को खांसी सर्दी हुआ होगा कभी ना कभी फ्यूचर में, खड़े होकर बोल सकते हो खांसी सर्दी हुआ था, बोल सकते हो ना कि घबरा के बैठो यार कि क्या बोलेगी खांसी सर्दी हुआ था यार, नहीं ना बोलोगे, राइट? Then why it is a difficulty to speak about that I have depression? I am suffering from a mental disorder. I am having anxiety attacks. I am having panic attacks. Why is it a shame? Just because people name us like पागल, यार ये पागल है वो, जिसको अटैक आते हैं, देख के रही हो, मार उड़ी देगी, ऐसे नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है? ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं होते हैं. You are the generation. I'm speaking like this because I sat in your place. Now I'm standing in front of you. That is what the journey is. You are the future. You will stand in front of someone else, like maybe मैम लोग के जैसे तुम कभी किसी और को पढ़ा रहे हो, right? That is what your journey, and I want you to not be ashamed. अगर तुमको कुछ फील हो रहा है, own it. आज मेरे को डर लग रहा था, मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा था, मेरे को यहाँ आने से पहले, माइक आने से पहले बहुत डर लग रहा था. I'm owning it. मैं नहीं छुपा रही, नहीं भाई मैं तो ऐसे बहुत सारे कर चुकी हूँ, ये तो दूसरा ही है मेरे क्या, नहीं, मुझे डर लग रहा है, और आई थिंक अगर मैं ऐसा 20 और भी कर लूँगी ना, मुझे तब भी डर लगेगा, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ द थिंग इज यूज ऑफ नोइंग इट. क्यों बात कर रहे हैं, किस लिए बात कर रहे हैं? पता रहता है खांसी सर्दी हुआ है तो किसके पास जाना है, पता रहता है कौन से डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, कौन से हॉस्पिटल जाना है. डिप्रेशन हुआ है तो कहाँ जाना है? There is people who don't even know कि कहाँ जाना है, क्या हो रहा है. Like me, I didn't knew what's happening with me till 9, 10. I think till my first year I was confused, like वो 2 साल हुआ क्या मेरे साथ. That is why I am here. We are to know about our own body, to normalize this mental health thing. We should never make it an issue like, yaar, depression, no. How we say cancer, how we say khasi sardi, that should be the same tone for the depression. That should be the same feeling for anxiety, right? Okay. Now, मैंने अभी बीच में एक चीज बोला था, कहाँ जाना है? Some people here told me, right? किसी ने तो मेरे को सुनाई दिया था, हल्का सा किसी ने बोला था, कहाँ जाना है अगर हमें डिप्रेशन हुआ है तो, या कोई भी मेंटल डिसऑर्डर हुआ है तो? Anyone? Okay, psychologist. Okay, so let me tell you, there is kind of 3 steps, 3 basic steps. Okay, where to find help? First, you should go to your general physician, or we say like हम अगर BSP वाले बच्चे रहते हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स BSP में वर्क कर रहे रहते हैं, I don't know properly, but क्योंकि मेरे पापा BSP में थे, we used to go to sector 9 hospital. कोई भी बीमारी हुआ चलो sector 9, right? वहीं जाना है तुमको पहले, इसमें भी वहीं जाना है तुमको पहले, ठीक है? But there is one more thing in this. Go to someone close you are. Go to someone who won't judge you. Go to someone you can talk about your any small feeling you have. Even that इतना सा भी तुमको अगर बुरा लग रहा है. For me, in my school, I had a teacher. I had a teacher, she never judged me for what I felt in class 9 and 10. मैं उनके पास गई and I told her very clearly that ma'am, उसका और मेरा झगड़ा हो गया, हम नहीं बैठ सकते साथ साथ, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है मैम, वो मेरे से बात नहीं करती, मुझे बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगता है. She literally told me like it's okay. She didn't judge me like क्यों नहीं बैठना शी लिटरली ओपन हार्टेडली टेल, ओके तुमको कहाँ कंफर्टेबल लग रहा है पूरे क्लास में बैठने में? आई सेड मैम मैं लास्ट बेंच में बैठूंगी। ओके ठीक है, सबको कंफर्टेबल वही लगता है, इसका डजंट मीन यू शुड ऑल गो एंड सिट इन लास्ट बेंच। टीचर्स भी हैं मुझे बहुत अच्छे से मार पड़ने वाली है, ठीक है, यू शुड सिट इन फ्रंट बेंच ऑल्सो, बट आई फेल्ट एट दैट सिचुएशन दैट लास्ट बेंच इज okay for me. That's a place where I will be hidden. That's a place where no one will see me. But she used to stand at the last bench and teach. Okay? That was a very kind of a problem, but it's okay. The second step is you should go to a psychologist who studies psychology. Okay? They will guide you to psychiatrist. They are two different people, psychologist and psychiatrist. Okay, one person I want, actually सब खड़े रहना, ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं है, कौन आएगा? Anyone? Come on. Anyone? सब खड़े रहना, इसमें काम नहीं है, काम वाला काम आने वाला है ना, अभी आ जाओ. Come on. Okay. You will come at the next one, okay? I saw you, will come next. Okay. So this is my psychiatrist. Okay? This will be my psychiatrist. I will represent the psychologist. Okay? बहुत similar word है psychiatrist, psychologist. क्या होता है इसका meaning? So one thing we know, psychiatrist study the psychiatry. Okay? Psychologist study the psychology. बस हटा दो और जो बच गया वही हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. ओके, एक्चुअली करते क्या है, ये दोनों का काम क्या डिफरेंट है कि एक ही जैसा काम है? बहुत अलग काम. एक्चुअली साइकोलॉजिस्ट आर काइंड ऑफ अ गुड डॉक्टर्स. ओके, विल नेवर गिव यू मेडिसिन, विल नेवर गिव यू इंजेक्शंस. सो किसी को भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, अगर उनसे डर लगता है, कम टू अस. Will never prescribe you any medicines, will never give you any injections. Good doctors. Okay? But we don't study MBBS. She will be the doctor who will prescribe you medicines, who is eligible to give you injections. Who is she? Psychiatrist. Who am I? Yes. Now you know this because I'm like anytime in any future, if you want, you should first go to a psychologist. Sometimes some things are cured by talk, cured by the therapies, because we are so much told that रोते नहीं हैं. रो क्यों रही है? अभी बंद कर दे रोना, राइट? उसके कारण वो रोना तो वही बंद हो गया ना, अंदर हो गया ना. फिर हंस लिए, फिर गुस्सा कर लिए, फिर अचानक से रोना आया, फिर वो रोना बंद हो गया क्योंकि मम्मी ने डांट दिया तो वो रोना बंद हो गया. फिर हंस लिए, फिर गुस्सा कर लिए, फिर गुस्सा ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि वो गुस्सा बंद हो गया. ठीक है, ये बंद हो गया. कभी कभी ये इतना बढ़ जाता है कि जब हम किसी और पे, अगर किसी और से बात कर लूँ तो शायद ये जो बंद हो गया चीज़ें निकल जाएगा ना, आई विल बी completely fine. Right? That is what the psychologists do. We talk to you, will give you therapies, will try to solve some questions and will find what the problem is having with you, and okay, we'll never give you medicines. But sometimes talking doesn't heal. Sometimes we need to give them medicines so that talking can be effective. Okay? That is when our friend will be in the show. Psychiatrist. She will prescribe the medicine and then I'll talk to that person. Did you get it? हम अभी इसके लिए, thank you so much. हम अभी क्यों ये सब बात कर रहे हैं? Is it that much necessary to know about psychiatrist, psychologist? Yes. Because अभी class 9 के बच्चे, first time, I don't know who all classes are there, but class 9 के बच्चे पहली बार senior बने हैं, senior section में आए हैं. There will be a lot of changes in your body, in your mind. 10th के बच्चों को एक सब्जेक्ट चूज करना है, दैट विल डिसाइड देयर करियर। 11th के बच्चों को नीट और जेई निकालना है। 12th के बच्चे तो वहीं खड़े हैं, उनके बारे में क्या ही बात करें, है ना। 12th के बच्चों को तो करना ही है, कुछ नहीं है आगे, बट उनको कॉलेज जाना, राइट। देयर द थिंग्स विल चेंज। हमारे इतने अच्छे टीचर्स नहीं मिलते बेटा कॉलेजेस में, यू नीड टू डू एवरीथिंग बाय योर ओन। दैट वाज द फर्स्ट हार्ट अटैक आई गॉट आफ्टर गेटिंग इनटू कॉलेज। आई वाज लाइक, मेरे टीचर्स तो इतने अच्छे थे, नोट्स बनवाते थे, ये कहाँ आ गई मैं। ओके, दैट इज द टाइम वेयर यू विल नीड दिस नॉलेज। जो अभी हम लोग मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं, वी नीड दैट मैथ्स। जो क्लास 1 में मैथ्स पढ़ा है, एक्चुअली दैट मैथ्स कम इनटू प्ले व्हेन यू आर इन 8th, राइट। 1 2 3 गिनना एक्चुअली 1 2 क्लास के लोगों को जरूरत नहीं पड़ता। दैट कम्स व्हेन वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट थिंग्स। अगर 1 तब नहीं पता होगा तो 1 + 1 कैसे पता होगा, राइट। आई एम गिविंग यू दिस नॉलेज राइट नाउ बिकॉज यू विल नीड इट sometime in the future. Maybe you will, maybe you will not. Okay, depends on you. But you should never backfoot yourself to go to a psychologist because वो भी एक डॉक्टर है, just like gynecologist, just like any other doctors. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to tell you about the 2 main things that I have seen in my school life and that I wanted to talk to you because I've seen this going in a very, very wrong manner. That is depression and anxiety. Okay. This a sad face. This is a depression. This a happy face is also a depression. Okay. Depression is actually a very common yet a very serious mental health disorder which we use in our daily life actually. थोड़ा सा अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, जैसे या मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ, बात मत कर, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है डिप्रेशन में। बस अगर मेरा आज बाल थोड़ा झड़ रहा है, वोंट से टू मम्मी यार कैंसर हो गया, बाल झड़ रहे मम्मी कैंसर हो गया, हेयर लॉस हुआ है, राइट। आज अगर तुम दुखी हो, अभी अगर तुम दुखी हो, दैट इज व्हाट वी से सैडनेस, दैट इज नॉट वी से डिप्रेशन। We always use depression in the place of sadness. Actually, we have a rule book. Okay? Anything you feel right now, अगर आपको तुमको हार्ट palpitation हो रहे हैं अभी कुछ seconds के लिए, that won't count in a mental health disorder. That should continue for at least 2 weeks or 6 months to call as depression. Continuously sadness, मतलब you feel like loss of interest. Okay, let me give you an example. I am someone who loves dancing. I am someone who loves talking. I am someone who can talk to you for hours. Maybe जितना भी time होता है. Okay, I can talk to you. That is what I like the most. That is what I love doing. But if I am having depression, I will feel no interest in even doing the thing I love the most. I can't do my dancing. I feel like, what's the need of doing it? I'll feel hopeless. I'll feel like, क्यों करना है ये चीज़? क्या मिलेगा करके? सवेरे उठना, पानी पीना, अपने लिए इधर से लेके वॉशरूम जाना, they feel it very difficult. They feel it like it's a burden for them. They can sit in the same place without even thinking anything. They'll feel nothing about it. That is for months, not for just 1 or 2 hours because कुछ breakups हो गए या कुछ patchups हो गए, उसके कारण से 2 या 3 घंटे के लिए, एक और 2 दिन के लिए नहीं. For months they are feeling the same thing. That is when the mental illness comes in there. That is when they are having depression. talked about it. So this and that, the happy one, doesn't mean if you are having depression, you need to sit in a place where you will be like, नहीं हो रहा यार, काम नहीं हो रहा, रोए जा रहे. That is not what actually depression looks like. Yes, it is. People will. क्या ज़रूरत है करने की? Did you get it? Did you get it? What depression actually is? So I'll request to you, never use the word depression unless and until you are diagnosed with it. If you are diagnosed with it, go and tell someone that yes, I am depressed. I'm having depression, I'm eating medicine, or I'm going for the therapy, and I have therapy at 6 o'clock and I can't talk, sorry. Be like it, own it, okay? But never hide it if you're having it, okay? So actually I wanted to play this video for you because of technical errors. I'll tell you what actually this is. That girl is actually having depression, very severe depression, but she used to go to pubbing, she used to go for clubbing, she will, in this video, she will be doing this office job, she will be having a scooty ride with his friends. She will seems to be a very normal teenager, but yet when she enters her room, she is again blank. That is what depression is. Okay, now let me tell you. So I hope you got what depression is.
Yes,
You got what depression is. We'll never use depression if you are sad. Right? We'll tell that I'm feeling sad. We'll never use the word. Thank you so much. We should never use sadness and depression. We should never misinterpret sadness and good people. Anxiety. Okay, this video was something I wanted to play, but I'll tell you what that video was actually. That video was, there was a lady in the reception. Okay, she will be standing, and another colleague used to come and tell her that the boss is calling you. She only uses 3 words, the boss is calling you. The sudden thought comes in the lady's mind will be like, oh my god, why is she calling me? Oh my god, did I have to submit something? She'll start checking her desk, she'll be so tense, the continuous thought will start rushing. Then, there is another part of the video where a person is standing in a traffic. Okay? Normally हम ट्रैफिक में खड़े रहते तो कैसा रहता है? गाड़ी आगे बढ़ेगी तब तक रुकेंगे, जैसे ही ग्रीन होगा हॉर्न बजाना शुरू करेंगे, right? But the only simple thing, and he started to feel like it is such a chaotic thing. He'll get angry. Even the light is red, he will continuously beat his horns. So what anxiety actually is? There's continuous thought rushing into your mind. Abhi jab baithe ho, you are simply listening to me, or maybe some 2-3 thoughts will be going inside, like आज क्या बनाए खाने में? Okay, ठीक है, ये बनाऊंगा. मम्मी आ गई होगी क्या बाहर लेने के लिए? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, इसके बाद चल जाएंगे बाहर. कुछ ऐसे thoughts चल रहे होंगे माइंड में. कुछ ऐसे thoughts चल रहे होंगे माइंड में, right? But think like a person who is having anxiety will continuously think something that is not even useful for him or her. She'll be like, यार कल खाने क्या बनाना है, यार नाश्ता नहीं मिलेगा क्या, अभी कैसे करेगी, ये कब खत्म करके मैं कैसे जाऊँगी घर, कैसे गाड़ी नहीं होगी, गाड़ी पंचर हो गई तो क्या करेगी, गाड़ी पंचर हो गई होगी तो कैसे करेगी, मतलब मम्मी नहीं आएगी घर कैसे पहुँचेगी. Think like this. Your brain is not shut even for a second. There is continuously restlessness in your body. You can't stand like this in a place for a second. You will be continuously doing something. You will be walking like this. Chai chadhaya hua hai. Okay, I am giving you an example. Chai chadhaya hua hai. What will you do? You will simply stand. You will look at the tea कब ये क्योंकि गिरेगा तो फिर बेटा मम्मी से तो बहुत अच्छा मार पड़ता है ना, तो वहीं खड़े रहना है बस. तो तुम खड़े हो. But the person who is anxiety can't stay still even for that single second. चाय चढ़ा के he will be like, खाना कल का खाना क्या बनाया, अभी सवेरे की चाय नहीं पी उसने. समझे what anxiety is? Did you get it? सब कहीं सो तो नहीं गए कोई? सब है ना सब? दादा थिंग no वो पुराना हो गया other thing come on everyone, why is it so lethargic? Come man, come on show girls, show front benches, come on. Okay. So इतने देर तक हमने कितना सारी बातें कर ली, and it was all about mental health. बचना कैसे वो तो बताया नहीं, सारी चीज के बारे में बता दिया. बचना कैसे इससे हो गया तो करेंगे क्या यार, वो तो बता दो. सब बता दिया, खांसी सर्दी कैंसर पता नहीं कहाँ तक चली गई, बचेंगे कैसे? Okay, the thing is, I can't tell you how you can't get depression. It is something you will, if you have to, you will. But I will tell you how to cope up with the daily stresses. Okay, this is something I used to do and I started it very late. जब मैं कॉलेज पहुंच गई तब मुझे पता चला कि यार daily stress is a real thing. For me it is different, for you it is different, for you it is different, for ma'am it is different. Okay, मेरे लिए मेरा कल का presentation is what I am feeling right now tensed about, because मैं आज का presentation बना दी, कल का मेरे पास कोई आइडिया नहीं, कुछ तैयार नहीं है, पता नहीं क्या होगा. So that is what right now my daily stress counts. मैम लोगों का daily stress, आज इन लोगों ने एग्जाम दे दिया, इनका पेपर चेक करना है. अब इनका पेपर में अगर कुछ कम हो गया, रिजल्ट कैसे मेंटेन होगा? That is what definitely teachers will feel, because मेरी मम्मी भी टीचर है and I used to see her struggling with papers and kids. Okay, but your stress will be, कल दूसरा पेपर है क्या? नहीं, दूसरा पेपर एक दिन और है, तो अब उसके बारे में भी पढ़ना है, वो पेपर के बारे में पढ़ना है, एक ही दिन का लीव है, ऑफलाइन एग्जाम्स है ना. So it is a real thing. Daily stress is a real thing, even though it is different for everyone. So how to manage it? Okay, I'll tell you the thing I do. Stay positive. Okay, कितना ही है stay positive, कितना easy word है, बहुत difficult होता है. To stay positive, actually it is not a thing to stay positive. अभी झगड़ा हो गया तो कैसे पॉजिटिव रहे यार, उसको लेके मन कर रहा है मारने का, नहीं रह सकते पॉजिटिव. I want to kick him, I am angry, right? So actually staying positive is a state of mind. It is not we will get like थोड़ा सा भाई आधा किलो पॉजिटिविटी दे दो, नहीं हो सकता. You have to learn it and it comes in very very slowly. It comes in your life like बहुत ही धीरे धीरे, वो ना से 0.5 करके आता है. जब हम चाह रहे 1 किलो मिल जाए आज, पर नहीं आता है. Because I am trying to stay positive from like the first year of my college. वो मेरे पास आते हैं, मतलब थोड़ा सा आते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि हो गया होगा, लास्ट डे ऑफ कॉलेज आने ही वाला है मेरा, ठीक है. So it is a kind of a state of mind. You need to learn it. How will you actually learn it? How is it that easy to learn it? So I read a book and I came to know this just with the first week of my college, and I was so into it that I started practicing it. That is called the 3S technique. I read it in the Jay Shetty's book, Think Like a Monk. Okay, he says it in very nice way that own your emotion. Don't tell like if you are sad, don't tell like yes I'm okay. No, you are not okay. You are not okay and you tell it that I'm not okay, I need some time. Own your emotion. If you are feeling happy, tell that I'm very happy. अगर तुम्हारी फ्रेंड का एग्जाम खराब गया है, she will be sad. अगर तुम्हारा एग्जाम गया है तो तुमको एक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Tell her that यार मेरा अच्छा गया है, कोई बात नहीं, तेरा खराब गया है तो कोई बात नहीं, बट मेरा अच्छा गया, मैं नहीं रह सकती तेरे साथ दुखी, मेरा अच्छा गया ना, खुश होना है मेरे को, तू हो जा दुखी, दैट इज योर इमोशन, यू फील इट, तू दुखी रह, कोई बात नहीं, तुम मुझसे मत बोल यार दुखी रहना, मेरा अच्छा गया, ठीक है। दैट इज व्हाट स्पॉट इज, द फर्स्ट इज spot your emotion. Currently, what are you feeling? Actually, when we get upset or when we get angry, when we are sad, we concludedly say it as like दिन खराब है, अच्छा ही नहीं था आज का दिन। क्यों अच्छा नहीं था भाई? क्या इमोशन फील कर रहे हो अभी? Right now, what are you feeling? Is it anger? Is it sadness? Is it joy? Is it happiness? Own it. Tell it like यार मैं थोड़ा दुखी हूँ, I am sad. Tell it. Own it. The next thing is stop. How we will stop it? अभी मैं sad हूँ, अभी just like take example. I had a breakup with someone. I am very sad. I will never and I'm sorry. I'm listening to a very sad song and I'm simply crying. बहुत ही भाई ऐसे गाने जो गानों की तो कमी है नहीं, अर्जित ने तो ऐसे गाने निकाले, राइट? सबको पता है, सब नोट कर सकते हो, ठीक है, सबको पता है, हाँ। So because of that you feel so sad and you fuel your fire with the sad songs. तुम और ऐसे गाने सुनोगे जो तुमको और दुखी कर रहे हैं। करते हो ना? Yes. Stop doing that. मत करो। Okay, feel it. You are angry. थोड़ी देर रो, or you are upset, or you are sad. रो थोड़ी देर. If you feel like when I am angry, I used to cry. I tell my mother or father if they come to talk to me, I just tell like that, पापा अभी थोड़ा गुस्से में हूँ, थोड़ी देर बाद बात करेंगे। My father leaves me alone. I sit and cry in my room for I think 45 minutes. I'll cry something. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाता ना, आँख सूज जाती है, फोटो भी डालना पड़ता है स्नैप में, ठीक है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकते। So or like one hour something I'll cry and I'll think like what can be done to make myself back again. That is what swap means. Swap your emotion up. Swap it away. क्या कर सकते हैं जो तुम थोड़ा चेंज फील कर सको अपने आप के लिए? Okay, so okay, I'm giving you 3 emotions. Okay, I'm giving a situation. Tell me what that emotion is. What will you feel right now? Okay, उठा था कोई? तुम किसी कोई आ सकता, बहुत इजी है, वॉट एवर इट इज यू फील। आज सवेरे का ही आप ले सकते हो, यू आर वेरी टेंस, राइट? कोई भी सिचुएशन, फ्रेंड से झगड़ा हो गया, चलो हमारा सिचुएशन है, कौन बोलना चाहेगा? स्पॉट, स्टॉप एंड स्वैप।
In morning time I was doing physics, so I was tension about it.
So she came to know her emotion that she was tense, she was stressed, right? But क्या तुमने किसी को बोला कि मैं टेंशन में हूँ? फ्रेंड्स को बोला? Good. People don't show their emotion. They will be like नहीं मैं सब पढ़ के आई हूँ, मालूम है मुझे सब, लिख लूँगी। एग्जाम में बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन में हालत खराब है, ठीक है, बट दे विल नेवर टेल यू। टेल इट यार, नहीं पढ़ा है, थोड़ा कम पढ़ा है, बोलने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है, नहीं पढ़ते, कभी कभी हो जाता है, पर हमेशा ऐसे मत करो, पढ़ो, ठीक है? सॉरी टीचर्स। सो डिड यू गेट इट? स्पॉट, स्टॉप एंड स्वैप इट अप। ओन इट। उसको अब ऐसा कुछ भी काम मत करो कि उससे वो और ओवरवेल्म हो जाए। मेरे को जब गुस्सा आता है, मैं ना इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप सबसे पहले बंद करती हूँ, बिकॉज मेरे को उससे ज़्यादा और गुस्सा आता है, क्योंकि मेरे फ्रेंड्स लोग पूछते रहते क्यों गुस्सा है, क्या हो गया, क्या हुआ, क्यों गुस्से में है, क्या प्रॉब्लम चल रही है। मेरे को और गुस्सा आ जाता है, यार मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है, तो वो क्यों आ रहा है मुझे भी कंफर्म नहीं है, पर आ रहा है, outside. That is what I do for stop. And how I swap it away is, I go and talk to my mother that I'm very angry. I need to do something. My mother says that like, okay, bottle में पानी भर दे और फ्रिज में रख दे. And then I'm like, ठीक है, गुस्सा हो या सैड हो, काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा. धीरे धीरे काम करते करते अपने आप कहीं ना कहीं ठीक ठीक सा लगने लगता है. So that is for me, doesn't mean it should be for you. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा समझने में, बट समझो अपने आप को, because that is very important. ओके, अब थोड़ा संत बाबा जैसा लगेगा शुरू में, when I tell you breathing effects. अभी मैंने किसी को भी यहाँ पे अचानक से खड़ा कर दूँ, सबसे पहले उसका क्या चेंज होगा, कोई बता सकता है? ब्रीथिंग बहुत जल्दी फास्ट होती है. गुस्से में रहते हो तो सबसे पहले क्या चेंज होता है? किसके साथ पैदा हुए हो? ब्रीथिंग के साथ. वो रुक गई तो सब चले गया. उसको समझ लो, धीरे धीरे सब समझ लो. ओके, okay, I'll tell you the today's thing what I was feeling. As you know, I was feeling very tense. I was continuously having that feeling in my heart. Okay, so what I did was, I'm not an expert in this, but still I'm learning. I was sitting in principal's office. I started, simply I was breathing. Simply I was continuously thinking about my breath only. How I'm breathing, how I'm breathing. I need to calm it. I need to calm it. That was how I was continuously thinking, and I was breathing continuously. Somewhere now, I'm feeling very comfortable with you all. I'm not having any feeling. I'm not having any tension, because I know you're very lovely and you guys know a lot of things. Okay? बहुत टाइम लगता है ये सब चीज़ों को सीखने में, बिकॉज हम लोग को कभी ये सिखाया नहीं गया है, और हम लोगों को कभी फोर्स नहीं करते. जैसे दवाई खाने को, पानी पीने को फोर्स किया जाता है. पानी पिया सबने? खाना खाने के बाद पानी पिया? खाना खाने के बाद पानी पिया? मम्मी हमेशा पूछेंगे. बट कभी अगर रोने बैठो तो कभी तुमको रोने मिलेगा घर में? आंसू पोंछ के आ जाना घर बाहर 5 मिनट, यही मिलता है, राइट? रो थोड़ी देर रोने के बाद आंसू पोंछ के ऑन करके जाओ कि हाँ मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए था प्रॉब्लम, अब ठीक है. द थर्ड थिंग इज पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशन. ओके, अपने बारे में कोई अच्छी चीज़ बोलो. कौन बोल सकता है अपने बारे में कोई अच्छी चीज़? कौन बोल सकता है? गंदी चीज़ बोलने के लिए अभी मैं खड़ा करूँ तो शायद बोल भी दूँ. नहीं बोल सकते, राइट? क्योंकि मैं नहीं बोल सकती. अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे कि अपने बारे में कोई 2 अच्छी लाइन बोलो, आई नीड टू थिंक अबाउट एवरीथिंग. KG1 से लेके क्लास 12 कॉलेज, उसके बीच में जो भी प्रोग्राम किए वो सब के बारे में भी अगर मैं सोच लूँ तो मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. बट दैट इज नॉट हाउ यू शुड बी. यू शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ योर सेल्फ. इवन दो कुछ नहीं किया अपने लाइफ में, उठे तो हो सवेरे, सांस ले रहे हो, हर दिन का काम खुद अकेले कर पा रहे हो, ब्रश खुद करते हो ना कि मम्मी करा रही है, नहीं ना? हाँ. So be proud of that I am capable enough to do my own work. Tell yourself every day that I am enough. I am capable enough to do what I am doing every day. I am capable enough to talk to someone. I am capable enough to breathe. That is what the other thing was also all about. Okay, I will come back to this. That is what about gratitude. Thank every person in your life. Okay, I started doing this recently. I used to thank my mother whenever she gave me food. When I started it, the first time when I went and she gave me food, and I was like, thank you, Amma. And my mother suddenly looked at me and like, कहाँ जाने का प्लान बना है? And I was like, क्यों? मम्मा, मेरी मम्मा क्यों मुझसे पहले में पैसे से निकल गई? क्यों? नहीं तो थैंक यू क्यों बोल रही है मुझे? मैं तुझे वो तब से मना दे रही हूँ. तो मुझे समझ में आया कि we never thank to anyone, to ourselves. Do you ever thank yourself to writing your own paper, to reading that physics formulas, to reading that chemistry formulas, to learning that chemistry formulas? Did you ever thank your teacher to understand you, to make you sit in our class? That is such a difficult thing. अभी थोड़ा सा समझ में आ रहा है. Okay, thank you so much teachers. क्योंकि आपने मेरे टीचर्स नहीं हैं तो भी कोई बात नहीं, वो हमेशा तुम लोग के साथ कर रहे हैं. So you should thank each and every person, and then you can feel that positive, a slight of positivity in your life. जब वो तुमको ऐसा हंस के देखेंगे ना और बोलेंगे वो खुशी है ना, वो बहुत रेयर मिलती है जब तुम किसी को थैंक यू बोलो. आज एक काम करना. ओके, इट माइट बी वेरी स्टूपिड फॉर यू, बट स्टिल आज जब घर जाओगे, घर जाते ही खाना खाओगे डेफिनेटली, राइट? खाना खाने के बाद हाथ धोते धोते अपनी मम्मी को बोलना थैंक यू मम्मी फॉर द फूड, या थैंक यू माँ खाने के लिए. ठीक है, पहले वो ये पूछेगी जैसे मेरी मम्मी पूछी, बिकॉज कोई थैंक नहीं करता तो सबसे पहले मम्मी पूछेगी कहाँ जाना है, ये क्या चाहिए ना, क्या चाहिए. तब बोलना नहीं, आज आप मेरे लिए खाना बनाए, इतने साल तक मेरे लिए खाना बनाए, उसके लिए थैंक यू. आज मैंने कुछ थोड़ा सा ऐसा सीखा है जिसके लिए 1.5 में कुछ लग गया. स्कूल में बैठे थे तो उधर से सीखा ये चीज़. बोल के देखो. Then that little bit of happiness you'll see in her face. She'll be like, चल ठीक है, जा जाके बेटे बढ़. फिर वो हंस के बोलेगी तुमको, जाके बेटे बढ़ो सर. Okay? Check on yourself. Actually, that is what I did on my 12th. I had a social phobia. मेरे को लोगों के सामने बात करने से डर लगता था. मुझे ऐसे 3 जन कोई अनजान मिल जाते थे, मैं नहीं बात कर सकती थी. I wrote in my own diary that I want to talk to someone strange once in my life, someone stranger once in my life, and I want to give public speakings. I want to speak like this. Today, I am going to put a tick mark on it because this is the first offline section for me. I am standing in front of you talking without shivering hands, without shivering voice. Check on yourself. Write good about yourself, write bad about yourself, and see how can you improve that bad thing and how can you turn that bad thing into a good thing. पढ़ाई में कमज़ोर हो, किस में अच्छे हो वो भी तो लिखो. सब बोल रहे हैं पढ़ाई में कमज़ोर हो, पढ़ाई में कमज़ोर हो, किसी में तो अच्छे हो. I was a kind of backbencher too. I came to know that I'm good at speaking. I'm good at understanding people. I can understand their emotion. I can talk to a people who I don't even know who that person is. I'm good at it. I'm not at all good at maths. I came to know that. Understand yourself, then only you can understand Mr. Brain and Mr. Mind, Baba. Okay? Talk with 3 people. Okay, this is very, I got to learn this from a strange woman I met in Ganesh Pandal. Actually, my mother always told, whenever you see someone strange looking at you, give them a smile. Give them a warm smile. So once, यही Ganesh Pandal, इसी बार में जब मैं गई, I was standing and suddenly I looked at a woman, she was continuously looking at me. So I just simply turned and gave a smile. She, after 5 minutes, came to me and told me that your hair looks very good. So many times I was like, and I was like, thank you so much, ma'am. Then she started talking to me. She started talking to me, and you will never know, she lived just next to my building. I didn't even know her. She started talking to me and she gave me this advice that talk to 3 people. Anyone, actually talk to anyone in a day, and the one should be you yourself. Talk to yourself. You are the most famous person for yourself. You should be your favorite. I used to talk to myself every day, and sometimes my parents feel that क्या कर रही है, इसको क्या पढ़ने भेजा था, क्या पढ़ के आई है पता नहीं. But if you talk to yourself, you will learn about yourself. कि किस किस चीज़ से तुमको दुख पहुँचती है, किस किस चीज़, पेरेंट का कौन सा चीज़ तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं लगता है, वो तुम्हें तब पता चलेगा जब तुम खुद से बात करोगे. Talk to yourself. Talk to a kid. You will know how to smile there. Talk to a kid. वो बहुत naughty होते हैं, बहुत उल्टा जवाब देते हैं, but then only you will get to know how to smile for a day. उनके पास कोई रीज़न नहीं होता, फिर भी स्माइल करते रहते हैं, राइट? टॉक टू अ सीनियर सिटीजन. वो सीनियर सिटीजन तुम्हारे खुद के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होंगे जो तुम्हारे घर में रह रहे होंगे, पर कभी तुम बात नहीं किए बिकॉज उनकी आइडियोलॉजीज बहुत डिफरेंट है तुम्हारे से. तुम जाओगे तो वो संस्कार की बात शुरू कर देंगे और तुमको लगता है यार ये कितना बोरिंग होता जा रहा है, यहाँ तो 10 मिनट बैठना मुश्किल है, राइट? ये फीलिंग आती है अंदर. बट टेक दैट 10 मिनट्स इन योर लाइफ. इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल करते हो, रील्स स्क्रॉल करते हो, हाँ जी, उसमें से थोड़ा 10 मिनट निकाल के उनसे बात करके देखो. तुमको ये समझ में आएगा कि मैनर्स क्या होता है, लाइफ में कहाँ मॉरल की ज़रूरत है. Then talk to a stranger. I won't say this because मैं खुद नहीं करती, but give a smile to a stranger. क्या पता कहीं ऐसे कोई मिल जाए जो बहुत ही नॉलेजेबल है, जैसे मुझे मिली वो एंड अब वो लेडी मेरी इतनी अच्छी फ्रेंड हो गई है. whenever she used to go for a walking, she'll just look at me and she'll like, and I don't know why, after looking to her I also smile. So that's how I get a smile for you. Smile when you look at your stranger. Don't be like, okay? So if they are looking at you, just give them a smile and then walk up. Okay? The last thing I want to, a small activity. Right now I see that no one is having pen and paper, so I won't do this with you. I wanted to do this with you though. I will like if you go at your place, at your home, after your tea break or कभी भी जब थोड़ा सा फ्री हो तो करके देखना. I do this for everything, every bad situation, even if I feel bad about myself, I make a list of plus minus. जब मेरी प्रिंसिपल मैम से बात हुई एक्चुअली, तो मैम ने ऐसा बोला कि ओके मंडे आ सकते हो. I was like, Monday आ जाना है. I started to feel so nervous. I felt like I'm not good enough to talk in front of you because मुझे लगता है डर. I feel very stressed when someone tells me to stand up and talk. So on that day, I made a list. I made a plus minus list. क्या क्या बुरा हो सकता है was in minus. उसमें था कि कोई बच्चे नहीं आएंगे, सब हंस देंगे, उठ के चले जाएंगे, बोर हो जाएंगे. प्लस में था आई एम गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग. अगर वो उठ के जा रहे द थिंग विल बी क्यों उठ के जा रहे हैं. आई विल लर्न दैट एंड आई विल इम्प्रूव इन द सेकेंड. बोर हो रहे हैं, कहाँ बोर हो रहे हैं, ओके दिस इज थिंग आई नीड टू इम्प्रूव इन दैट. डू इट व्हेन यू फील लाइक आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ टू डू एनीथिंग. मेक अ प्लस माइनस लिस्ट. कोई भी पेज फाड़ो, तुरंत प्लस माइनस थिंग लिखो. अगर तुमको कोई पर्सन पसंद नहीं आता उसके बारे में प्लस माइनस थिंग्स लिखो. धीरे धीरे प्लस की डिग्री भरती जाएगी ना, तब लगेगा यार इतना बुरा भी नहीं है. जाना. I hope I gave you some knowledge that can help you at least at some point of your life. Thank you so much.
Lot of knowledge, and I think if you have learned a motivational way how to deal with the mental stress and function of the Mr. Brain and Mr. Mind, we really encouraged by your words and your thoughts. Thank you for sparing some time from your busy schedule for us, and also we are thankful that you have accepted our proposal to present your views on this awareness program. This is the need of today's this kind of situation that we are really going to face. Now I would like to request our director, Mr. Prakash, to say some words.
Dear loving Principal Mrs. Zulu, Head today's resource person, Ishida, and my dear lab students. For about 2 hours, you were listening, Ishida, about what? About the mental health. That is, mental health is very important one. Without mental health, no health. So you heard us saying that if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. That means if wealth is lost, we can regain. If health is lost, we can regain it. And the one more word, that is if characteristics, that I am not going to tell here. That means the mental health. And also this person scenario, we need mental health. For 2 hours, Ishida shared from her own experiences. So one word I noticed that she is pursuing is her psychology, but still as an expert, she shared his exam issues, what are problems, whatever she is facing in front of us. One thing that next month she is going to appear the exam. She has stress, but she thought that, but I know how to handle it. That is the mental health. That means everybody having stress, tensions for simple things, sometimes for difficult things. The stress and tensions are following us. But like the 2 persons, Mr. Brain and Mr. Mind, they are following this body. How to deal our stress and how to deal our tensions. So Ishia, I appreciate, I sincerely appreciate, I truly appreciate you for sharing your ideas regarding this mental health to our students, and also it is very helpful for us also. Even though we are not, we are teachers, it is very helpful for us also how to deal our matters or daily matters. So once again, I thank you, and also I appreciate a lot, Ishida, and also we heard, and also you are very, very expert in this field. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you, Nana.
And principal ma'am also for conducting such a motivational awareness program for all of us and really for our students. It will helpful for all of you. I think you have learned a lot. I think the difference between the sadness and the depression and whatever our resource person has told. Okay, so a big thank you to our guest and to principal ma'am and sister director, Sister Prakash. Thank you all.
Thank you, children. Participated and class from your side also. Thanks to all of you for sitting patiently for 2 hours and listening to her, and you are trying to get something wonderful. And so we go as well as the lovely resource person Ishika is simply brilliant. Though it was her first session, but I'm very sure she's going to be an excellent speaker in the future, and she's definitely doing something in the future for the society as well, because we never get such kind of people. Very less number of people are there of this kind that is doing psychology and explaining people. We all are aware of so many big terms, like she said, fancy terms we all know, but exactly how many of us know the meaning of all these words? That was something very brilliant. Even I could learn so many things from her. And a small girl, I tell you always in all my speeches, I'm sorry that I'm sitting and saying, every speech I used to tell that there is no end to learning. Every look around yourself and you'll get a chance to learn something from people around you and from the things happening around you. That is what has exactly happened today. I learned a lot from this small girl. She's only a daughter to me. So there is no end to learn. A person with this age also is ready to learn. That intention should be there in all of you. कभी भी पढ़ाई और लिखाई और जानकारी का कोई सीमा ही नहीं है। निरंतर हम अपने चारों तरफ देखेंगे तो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। आज वही हुआ, so it was a very successful day for me. So hats off to all, to resource person, to patriot,